Alright, welcome back to Bud's Builds, where we build it, break it, and improve it, one buzz at a time. Today, we're working on a go-kart. I needed to clear some projects out, and I had a guy that wanted to buy a go-kart, so go-kart's going to get fixed and get out of here. So, our build-out list, you can see here what we got. Tires, gear oil, battery. We're not sure if the carb's going to work or not. And then we need to replace the fuse box. So, pretty much have all the stuff already. So, brought my trusty toolbox out. Today we're hitting some Blue Moon. Well, I am. Someone else had a little rough evening. Having trouble hanging with the big boys. So, alright, let's get buzzed. I hate you. So this is one of those 150cc Howitt engines. I believe that's how you call that. Howitt. And one of the Chinese go-kart engines. And so the first thing we're going to be doing is changing the gear oil. Right there is the fill. We've actually already drained it. It was drained some time ago, but the drain plug's down underneath. So anyway, we'll put that in and fill it. If Mongo will hurry up here. We're using 80-90 gear oil, straight from Walmart. Best stuff you can buy.
The Walmart special.
Yeah. It's certifiably the greatest. Just throw it in there and squish. Hey, squeezing?
Mm-hmm.
Keep going. It'll pour out. Lug head.
Yep.
Stop.
What's up?
Flip it upside down.
Upside down?
Yeah, flip it upside down.
Alright.
Flip it upside down. Now, hey, look.
Huh?
Flip it upside down. Give me that stuff.
Didn't open the cap. I was like, this doesn't feel right. I was like, this is gonna take forever.
Someone had a little too much to drink last night. That. Pull it up. Yep. All right.
Yay!
Get that drain plug in there. Here. When it starts pouring out, that's when you have it filled. That's good. You don't have to muscle it in. I put the cap on that. All right. First task done. You know what that means?
More beer.
Time for a break. We'll be back in a couple. Alright, so now we're airing up tires. You can see this one's off the rim. We're going to try to do it with it like so. Let's go ahead. Hold on. Ready?
Yeah.
Go.
Kind of, sort of.
Alright, let go.
Get it?
No. Alright. So we got it up on deck stand, so that way we can muscle it over. Muscles over here
Nah.
was able to, Mongo was able to move the tire. Let's see if he can air it up now. Difficult task for him.
Indeed.
Push it. No?
No.
Alright. Mongo was able to get it. I was going to show him a trick that I learned in NAM, but he's a tough guy.
Sure it was 10? I can't even tell. No, we're way above. Oh, yeah.
What's it at?
12.
Oh. Just head over there. Yes, the garage is a mess, if you can hear anything over the fans. Alright. Tire's done. Woo! Time for another break. Alright, so now we're doing the fuse. I thought I had a regular fuse holder for this. I don't. So we're going to put just a 5 amp fuse in, and then we're going to put tape around it to keep it together and keep it from banging the metal and shorten it out. Yeah, that should be good enough. We'll move to the battery next. I've got an old battery we're going to try to use. Don't know if it's going to work or not, but we'll give it a shot. Found some bolts that'll work. That battery must be totally dead. It's not working. So I'll find another one. No, new battery.
One new battery.
Alright, so I have a new battery we're going to put on. That other one didn't have any juice in it. Why are you dealing with it like that?
I ain't interested in getting electrocuted.
You're not going to get electrocuted on that. It's 12 volts.
That's enough to kill.
No, it's not. Put your fingers across them terminals.
I'm good.
No, I'm serious. Nothing. That's good enough.
fueled out.
I know. So you better make sure that you put the black on the negative and the red on the positive. Unlike Mongo. That's the reason why I wasn't starting just a minute ago. Alright, now we're going to turn the fuel on. Alright, give her a shot. Give her another one. Hey. Go. Alright.
No brakes.
Huh?
No brakes.
Alright, come on.
I rolled in a dog poop.
Hey folks, here we are the next day. And we did get the go-kart running last night, but it started raining, so we couldn't film it. Anyway, so we're gonna get going now. Ready?
Ready.
Go.
Oh, Mongo.
I want to thank everyone for joining in, watching that video. It was a lot of fun. Getting to work with my son, a little back and forth. Anyone that thinks I'm mean to him, you just didn't see the parts where he gave as good as he got. So anyway, it was a good time. Good video, good build. We got done, got it out of here. Opened up a little space in the garage. So anyway, until next time, stay buzzed.
Welcome back to Buzz Builds, where we build it, break it, and improve it every time. Let's get buzzed.
You ready?
Yeah.
How'd you memorize that? How can you be so smart and stupid at the same time?
I don't know. Today we're improving a go-kart today. Alright? We just sold it. We have our paycheck in. That means we're going to be finishing out this build and then sending it off to the other guy.